How to get a Japanese display name on Roblox. So what you have to do first is you're gonna have to go on roblox.com. Now from here you're gonna have to click on the setting icon, click on settings. Now from here you're gonna have to click on name, and you have this little edit sign right here. So you're just gonna click on that, click on change name. Now from here you're gonna have to go on the search button, and you're gonna have to search up Google Translate. Then once you search up Google Translate, you're gonna have to search it up. Now from here for the language, it's gonna be English to put Japanese right here. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to find the name that you want. So my name is Instructify, but you could put whatever. You could put food or whatever. So I'm gonna just put Instructify, and it's gonna translate it for me. Now I'm gonna just copy and paste this. I'm gonna go back to Roblox. I'm gonna paste it over here. Now if I click on save and I refresh the page, I have a Japanese display name. Now I'm gonna show you guys how this looks in game. Now as you guys can see, I'm in the game right here. I just joined please donate, and you guys can see my name right here. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you.